Okay, let's continue with our plumbing layout, okay? So what I need to do is connect my 3 lavatories here. There's another one. Okay, I think I'll get to this one later, but I want to concentrate on this. I'm gonna connect these 3 lavatories, but I need to bring it over to this area of plumbing so it can drain out and go from the bottom of the screen to the top. This is the main layout. I'm just checking these fixtures. Okay. All right. Let's turn that off. Okay. So what I need to do, let's just go here. And am I sloping? Should I slope at this point? I don't like to slope in this area because the contractor is going to do that anyway. This is no slope. I think I'm going to need to slope here. So I don't want to be too far out of place. Slope down. And I need to get over to this area. So go here, here. And this looks like some kind of a shaft, okay? And let's go here. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna need to go down. But first I wanna look at this. I don't know what's going on here. So I'm gonna bring my section view over. And let's rotate -90. Let's go -90 and bring this down just to see what's going on here. And let's select, I'm going to select again and hover and use my tab just to see where that is. Okay, so it's level 1. Okay, so it's going from level 1. So I'm gonna be under. So that's good. Let's do this while I'm here. I think I'm gonna need to bring out another piece of this pipe. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my overall 3D view, and it is, the reason I did this was just to get a reference. I don't like to look for the drawing. Let's escape and then go here. So it's kind of like where is it? Well, we know it's here, but for me at least, I always try to use a little reference so my eyeballs are not searching. So, you see. So I think I need to go here, and let's go back to first floor. This is just to give me another reference to choose one of my extensions, which is going to be this one. Okay, and let's draw my pipe. Let's go back this way. I think I'm sloping. So at this point, I think I need to slope up. Let's see what Revit does. Okay, so I'm sloping this pipe, huh? Yeah, well, that's good. I should slope here. More or less. So now, since we have this, I need to connect. I think this is too high, right? That's it. Yeah, that's in the floor area. But since I have it, I'm going to keep it and go to my section view and see how far down I have to go. Let's go down to about here. So in my first level, what I can do is use my fillet tool and and it should automatically connect. Okay, so we're going down, and let's see how far we have to go. I'm just gonna bring this just a little bit here. No routing found. That's because it is sloping down. Okay. Yeah, okay. Revit's pretty good at keeping you on your toes. Okay, so let's see what's going on with this section view. See how far off I am. And okay, let's use, that's hidden. Okay, that's okay. Medium? No, let's go back to fine. Yeah, I think this is good. Let's bring this down just a little bit, and because it's sloped, everything is sloped. And the technique, again, I've done this, is do a detail line, come in, maybe get in this middle, go over, up, and back down, and here. Okay, so now I can extend here, here, and from here, what I need to do is line up the two horizontals, or one slope and then one is horizontal. So let's do this. Make my pipe active and use my arrow key to kind of get an eyeball estimate of my slope piping. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay. Let's go back. Or what I can do, I can just trim here, here, okay. And get rid of this construction lines. Go back to my first view, first level. And I'm gonna need a Y combination. I don't know what it is. Could be T reducing. Let's change. Well, I'm gonna keep that like that, but I'll change it manually. Let's drag this over. Okay, that should give me a T reducing, but I'm gonna change it in my properties and make that a Y combination. Okay, so that looks good, that looks good, that looks good, that looks good. I'm gonna cap it here, but what I need to do is, this is the first floor, there's a second level where I'm going to need to connect. Where's the second level? Second level waste, southwest, second level. So I'm going to need to do the same thing. This is second level. It's the same layout. Let's go back. I'm going to pretend that this is second level. Second level is the same type of layout, but from the second level, I need to connect into this pipe. So we may need to ask the architect to move this around a little bit. He may or may not do it. I may have to find another way to do it, but let's assume that the architect is going to agree to that. So I'm going to need to come out and go up. So I'm going to need a little bit of room here. So, okay, so in the meantime, maybe, let's see what I think these are pinned. Let's go to the 3D view, because I think I'm going to need to somehow read this. These fixtures are going to need to scoot up a little bit, all of this information. Let's go back and all of this, including my floor drain, and let's go here, do control, so that I'm using my control button. Everything is going to move. Make sure nothing is pinned. Okay. That needs to be a Y combination. Let's change that now. Okay. And use my controls so that I'm choosing more than one piece of information. This one, yeah, that goes up too. Let's see what Revit does if it lets me. Okay, and go back to the first floor. Let's see how far I can get up. Move, move. Okay, this is good. 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 Good, 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 good. Good, good. Okay, now, okay, I like that. I like that. Because from the top, I think I have enough room to put my 2-inch pipe in here somewhere. When I get on the second level, okay, I'm gonna cap that and make sure that we're still all connected with the fixture units. Fixture units are still okay. Good. Which I'm looking at these fixture units. Okay, this is 68. Okay. 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 So I think that I'm gonna stop here. Let's see if there's anything. Of course, I'm gonna need a clean out back here. Draw my pipe up. Okay. And let's cap it. And I think I saw something earlier. Yeah, I need a P-trap here. And there was more, yeah, P-traps here. So I'm gonna click here and do control, 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 and another control. So I got 3 elbows that I need to convert into a P-trap, and that's going to be like that. So all of them changed, which is not a big deal. So I have all my traps here. And let's look and see if everything is good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. And it's going out. That's the piece that's going out here. Okay. And okay, that all looks good. Another clean out here. I mean, I don't know. I'm just doing this because out of habit, I guess. I don't really need to do this. Up. Okay. All of that sloped, huh? Nope, it's not sloped. Let's go back. So I'm going to just put a little piece out here and cap. And just, you know, I mean, I don't do a lot of texting for these demonstration purposes, but you can just go out here and capital and just call it a clean out. You know, there's so many notes that needs to be applied to this, but you know, there's another clean out here. Let's go back. That clean out, so that's the other clean out that we were looking at, right? That's coming from the basement. And the sump pump is in here. Okay, I think everything looks good. Everything looks good in terms of piping. You know, there's no text. Okay, so that looks good. I think I'm gonna stop here, and I will talk to you guys later.